Hello guys! Today's video is a little bit different.
I don't know if you can tell that, but we are not real.
Just like my friend Santa from the $1 store said, we're all AI.
And this was all made by Wondershare Virbo.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this and how you can use it for your videos and make loads of money.
Whether it's marketing videos,
or you are making a news video,
education, lifestyle, or even occupation type of videos.
All can be done using these magic tools. All right, let me show you an example. There are more than 300 lifelike avatars for you to choose from. Virbo also allows you to convert text and photos to video in minutes. No camera, no editor. Now, how exactly can you make money with Virbo? It's simple. You create content, and this content is completely monetizable. Here, let's make a simple video together as an example. You can type your script down there. And if you want subtitles, you can have it done with one click, while you can also change the text style, the font, and colors. There's so many different backgrounds, depending on what type of video you are making. All right, now let me mess with the settings a little bit and see all things we can do here. I'm gonna make a TikTok promoting something random, so I will choose the portrait mode. Now, I don't really like this avatar, so I'll change it to something else. I'll pick one from the marketing category and work with it. I don't know, these all look so good and I'm not really sure, but I'll just settle for this one. Now for the background, I can make it a green screen for maybe further editing, but I don't have such time. And there are all these beautiful backgrounds ready to use, so yeah, let's pick one. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to this. Found this one. Now let's add some decoration from the stickers tab. I think this will fit perfectly. I just added my short script about using a phone camera to make high-quality content, and now I'll just choose a voice that would fit the avatar and apply it. After finding the voice, simply hit OK and export the video. And you'll have something like this.
Are you ready to transform your phone into a content creation studio? Discover the secrets to crafting stunning content in seconds.
This was all made in less than 5 minutes. You can also record your own voice and apply it to an avatar, or even import someone's voice and do the same. It also allows you to record online, so you have literally unlimited options of what you can produce. Now let's say you don't want to do all that and you lack creativity. Don't worry, they already have templates that are ready to use. I mean, have a look at all this. They even have categories for them, which is super nice. Now all you have to do is pick one and change the script to your own, and that's it. Just that easy. Another clever way to make money online is to use Virbo's Talking Photo AI to make short-form content. For example, let's say you picked a storytelling niche. You can make something like this.
Salutations! I am called Gandalf, the jubilant sorcerer, overflowing with magical delight and exuberance. I might sound a bit odd, and it's 'cause I'm sick.
This type of short-form content makes a lot of views, therefore a lot of money. Here's another example.
My husband says making love is even better on vacation. I only wish he didn't tell me via email.
Or if you are creative enough, you can pull some really funny content.
Morty, shut the fuck up, Morty.
Now let me show you how to do this. Over here you can choose a picture from Virbo's archive or upload your own, as long as the picture you are uploading meets the requirements. Then for the audio, you can type it here and choose a voice or upload your own recording, or as I said earlier, record online. I'm gonna type something simple just to show you guys an example. Now click export video and wait. And here is what we just did in 1 minute.
Hello, I'm gonna tell you about 10 facts you didn't know about China.
Now do this a few more times. Then upload all videos online, get monetized, and you are making money. You can even use this to sell merch if you are smart enough. Now, let's say you want to reach an audience from a different nation. Virbo has this video translate tool that obviously translates videos with subtitles as well as changes the lip syncing.
你好，我讲告诉你关于中国的10个你可能不知道的事实。
To do this, just select the original language and the translated language. Check both the subtitles and the lip syncing. Upload your video, then hit translate video, and that's it. It doesn't get easier. You can try it yourself completely for free. Check the links in the description and let me know if you guys want a part 2 about Virbo.